Well, I love my Juicy Lip. So this one doesn't run. And it's like a super glassy, it's by Tarte. Yeah, it's super glassy and it just doesn't rub down your chin. And so I have confidence when I'm on stage, it's not gonna be down to here. And then the other one I really like is this is Thrive mascara, and it actually builds. So it layers really well and it doesn't smudge. It only, like, it kind of comes off in these little tubes. So I don't ever find it on my face. So I feel like this is good stuff for being on stage and having confidence that by the time I get there, I'm a very smiley person, and so makeup can just like move all over my face. This stuff doesn't go anywhere. So those are probably my two go-tos. And then I've learned by watching YouTube videos, LTK videos, just about controlling light. And so I actually do some like little contouring, some light contouring with some of these so the light kind of catches my face in a way that's flattering. I guess that's one benefit to being on camera quite a bit, is you learn what works and what doesn't.